word of unfailing love. Psalms chapter 126. When the Lord restored the fortunes of Zion, we are like those who dream. Verse 2. Then our mouth was filled with laughter, and our tongue with shouts of joy. Then they said among the nations, the Lord has done great things for them. 3. The Lord has done great things for us. We are glad. 4. Restore our fortunes, O Lord, like streams in the Negev. 5. Those who sow in tears shall reap with shouts of joy. 6. He who goes out weeping, bearing the seed for sowing, shall come home with shouts of joy, bringing his sheaves with him. Psalms chapter 127, verse 1. Unless the Lord builds the house, those who build it labor in vain. Unless the Lord watches over the city, the watchman stays awake in vain. 2. It is in vain that you rise up early and go late to rest, eating the bread of anxious toil, for he gives to his beloved sleep. 3. Behold, children are a heritage for the Lord, the fruit of the womb a reward. 4. Like arrows in the hand of a warrior are the children of one's youth. 5. Blessed is the man who fills his quiver with them. He shall not be put to shame when he speaks with his enemies in the gate. Psalms 128. Psalms chapter 128, verse 1. Blessed is everyone who fears the Lord, who walks in his ways. 2. You shall eat the fruit of the labor of your hands. You shall be blessed, and it shall be well with you. 3. Your wife will be like a fruitful vine within your house. Your children will be like olive shoots round your table. 4. Behold, thus shall the man be blessed who fears the Lord. 5. The Lord bless you from Zion. May you see the prosperity of Jerusalem all the days of your life. 6. May you see your children's children. Peace be upon Israel. 6. May you see your children's children. Peace be upon Israel. Psalms chapter 129. Greatly have they afflicted me from my youth. Let Israel now say. Verse 2. Greatly have they afflicted me from my youth, yet they have not prevailed against me. 3. The plovers ploughed upon my back, they made long their furrows. 4. The Lord is righteous, he has cut the cords of the wicked. 5. May all who hate Zion be put to shame and turn backwards. 6. Let them be like the grass on the housetops, which withers before it grows up. 7. With which the reaper does not fill his hand, nor the binder of sheaves his arms. 8. Nor do those who pass by say, the blessing of the Lord be upon you, we bless you in the name of the Lord. Psalms chapter 130. Out of the depths I cry to you, O Lord. O Lord, hear my voice. Let your ears be attentive to the voice of my pleas for mercy. Verse 3. If you, O Lord, should mark iniquities, O Lord, who could stand? Verse 4. But with you there is forgiveness, that you may be feared. Verse 5. I wait for the Lord, my soul waits, and in his word I hope. Verse 6. My soul waits for the Lord more than watchmen for the morning, more than watchmen for the morning. Verse 7. O Israel, hope in the Lord, for with the Lord there is steadfast love, and with him is plentiful redemption. Verse 8. And he will redeem Israel from all his iniquities.